Hi, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly crypto tech review. This week we'll be looking at Bitcoin and last week's trailblazer, Litecoin. We'll be looking at the weekly support, resistance and pivot levels, the moving averages and the MACDs. This is the tech analysis for the week ending the 1st of November. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar, we're looking at the daily candlesticks. It's a bullish start to the week on Monday morning. Going to need to see Bitcoin avoid a fall through the pivot, sitting at 12,604 to support a run at the first major resistance level that's sitting at 13,791. Going to need to see support from the broader market for Bitcoin to break out from last week's high 13,358 and out from 13,500 levels, however. On the trend analysis, last week's high 13,358 is now a major resistance level. So barring an extended rally through the week, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of another breakout, we've got resistance at 14,000 and the second major resistance level at 14,545 to cap any upside in the week. A fall through the pivot level would bring the first major support level sitting at 11,850 into play. Barring a crypto meltdown in the week, however, Bitcoin should steer clear of sub 12,000 levels. Looking at the MACD, we've got a slight narrowing of the bullish histograms, but nothing suggestive of a bearish week ahead. On the EMAs, we are seeing the 50 pull away from the 100 and the 200, supportive of further upside in the week, however. So barring a fall through that pivot level, should see Bitcoin break out from last week's high to bring resistance levels into play. Fundamentals continue to support the upside, following news of PayPal's use and introduction of cryptos for payments in 2021. Moving across to Litecoin against the US dollar, slightly choppy start to the week for Litecoin. Going to need to see Litecoin avoid a fall through the pivot, sitting at 55.1 to support a run at the first major resistance level, sitting at 63.76. Going to need to see support from the broader market for Litecoin to break through to 60 levels, however. Last week's high 59.99 came up against resistance at 60 to limit any upside on that day on Sunday. So barring an extended rally through the week, expect that first major resistance level and a key resistance level on the trend analysis sitting at 63.73 to pin Litecoin back. In the event of a breakout, could see Litecoin test the second major resistance level at 68.64 and resistance at 70 before any pullback. A fall through the pivot level would bring the 23.6% fib at 54 and the first major support level sitting at 50.22 into play. Barring an extended sell-off through the week, Litecoin should steer clear of sub 50 levels. Second major support level sits at 41.56. Looking at the MACD, we've got a marginal narrowing of the bullish histogram, but nothing suggestive of a bearish week ahead, so keep an eye on that. On the EMAs, we're seeing a possible bullish cross of the 100 and the 50 moving through the 200 that would support further upside in the week ahead. So avoiding sub 55s and a move back through to 60 levels would bring resistance levels into play.